We just learned about landforms and what they look like and where they are, except we don't know how they occur. So we're going to look at Alfred Wegener, a famous scientist who created this thought of continental drift, which basically means that a long time ago, the continents didn't look like what they do look like today. In fact, they were all one big piece, a big continent called Pangaea. And this continent had all of the continents right now all put together. So here's the United States, here's Africa, here's South America, there's Asia and Europe. And these continents kind of fit together like a puzzle, right? They look like they belong together. There's some sea, but overall they look like they belong together. But there's also some interesting facts, like Alfred Wegener saw that there were skeletons of an animal right here in New York that only matched with skeletons up here in the upper north part of Africa. And that didn't make any sense because obviously the animal didn't just walk across the ocean, so that means that they must have been close together at one point in time. Now, he found out that this theory is actually true. Well, scientists found out. They thought he was crazy, but they found out this was true because they took the Earth and put it into one big map, and they found that you can cut up the map into 9 huge pieces called plates. And these plates are kind of like puzzle pieces. They're all different shapes and sizes. The Philippine plate is nice and small, where the North American plate is huge, and Antarctica covers the whole entire southern floor of the map. And these plates are different. They move in different ways. And if you look outside, you don't see any movement, but they actually are moving very, very slowly. So Antarctica is moving in this direction, but Nazca is moving in that direction. When those pieces meet, they can cause different problems and movements. And this is how mountain ranges and how volcanoes and earthquakes all happen. So let's look into these plates a little bit more. Now, if we have 2 plates and they're moving away from each other, that's called a divergent plate. Think about them diving away from each other. Okay, so we have Antarctica is going this way, but the India plate is going this way. So they're diving away from each other. If this is happening in the ocean, like this one is, this causes rifts, which are kind of like the big mountain ranges underneath the ocean, or kind of like trenches, but not nearly as deep. Now, convergent plates, those are very dangerous. These are how volcanoes, how mountain ranges, and how earthquakes can happen. So let's look into those a little bit deeper. If you have a plate that's underneath the ocean and a plate that's also underneath the ocean, and they collide with each other, so that means they're crashing into each other, a trench is created. And these trenches can also affect the magma in the lithosphere, and islands can be involved. You can have some earthquakes and different things like that. And underwater earthquakes can cause tsunamis, which are very dangerous. If you have 2 pieces of land crashing together, this piece is going to go under. If it's forcing all this land above it, that land has to have somewhere to go. And the only way it can go is up. So eventually, this makes a huge mountain range. And if you guys look at the map, there are huge mountain ranges right here. There are mountain ranges over where the Himalayas are, and you can kind of see where those actually are being created. The dangerous part is where you have part ocean and part land. When the ocean goes under, it still causes a trench, but the land part, that magma, really pushes up and it causes a mountain. And that mountain is formed with lava and magma, and it is eventually a volcano, which also has earthquakes and different things like that. The other type of plate, here's our divergence. So one plate is moving that way and one plate's moving the other way. And here's our ridge. The last part is a transform plate, which means they're just sliding against each other and rubbing up. This one causes a lot of earthquakes. There's one huge one right in California where there are a lot of earthquakes. It's very common there. And eventually they say that this piece of land is going to slip right off.